So when do you think you'll be home?
Later, I'm going to the store, then picking Brent up from her theater rehearsal. Okay, should I start something for dinner? Oh, it's okay, I'm gonna order delivery tonight. Right, I completely forgot it was delivery night. Haha, yeah, could you do me a favor, Mia? Yeah, sure. Could you start the dishwasher? It's full, I just forgot to start it. Alright. Thanks, see you soon. Bye. Bye. That looks a little full, but we should be good. Hey guys, I think there's something wrong with the dishwasher. No, the detergent!
Jeez. Right? Julie is gonna be so mad. Yeah. What are we gonna do? What?